Hello, it's your guy Frank, and today I'll be sharing the story behind this channel, Celeb Update, my channel. It's important that I share this update, especially to my many viewers and subscribers. Some of you have seen I have not been posting regularly, so I'll be sharing the reason behind this and what has happened with the channel. So please sit and hear my story. So somewhere around March of this year, I started posting consistently. I was posting more of biography videos. This includes Instagram models, TikTok models, sharing their story on my channel. Down the line, I incorporated visual models. I started posting visual models, that is Unreal models. I started posting it, sharing it. Everything was working well. My audience started growing. My views started increasing. I started getting videos of around 200,000 views, over 100,000 views, some 20,000 views in this channel. And since it was working, I kept on doing it, kept on posting videos. And my channel kept on growing. I got over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours. I got monetized. Life was good. I kept on going, doing the same thing I was doing, made a few changes here and there to refine the content, and I kept on doing. My community was growing. Next, I noticed one morning, I just woke up to check my YouTube studios, and I noticed that my channel was deleted off the face of the earth. This was very bad, because this is my main channel and the only channel that I had. I did not know what to do next. I was devastated. I was so down. I started doing a bit of a research. What has led to this? I knew in my heart of heart that I haven't abused this channel. I haven't abused the platform. I started reading through the community guidelines, knowing why my channel was deleted. Then I realized that I haven't done anything to lead, no warning, nothing. I haven't received a warning, I haven't received a strike. Nothing like that. So I said, okay, I'm going to appeal this. And I appealed it, and to the glory of God, my channel was reinstated. So I was happy. I started, okay, let me not do whatever it is that I've done that got this channel to be deleted in the first place. Let me make sure that it doesn't happen again. I started going through my whole videos. Some videos that I got that I was flagged community guideline, I unlisted them. I did the same for some of my videos that, that was rated community guidelines. I unlisted them, but I never deleted any video. So I kept on going. I woke up a few days after and I realized that I was demonetized again. I was like, what have I done? I was so confused. And at the time, I had some family issues going on. My father was sick. I was on the road running up and down to do some family stuff. I didn't have enough time to appeal the case. And my principle is that anything worth doing is worth doing well. So if I'm going to put out my fruit, it has to be my best fruit. So if I wasn't doing that, then I'm not going to appeal at all. I'm going to wait till when I am ready to do that. And this is the reason behind this video. First off, to let my community know what is going on. The people who have subscribed, who watches my content, to let them know what is going on. Because what is YouTube without the viewers? Also, for the YouTube team, the YouTube policy specialist, who I know sees everything and who has been, checking and analyzing this channel, so that they could also know what is going on. Next, I also want to use this opportunity to thank my loyal subscribers, viewers, who have been starved because of the event that has happened in this channel over the few weeks. To thank them so much for having patience and hanging in there for me. And I renew my commitment to continue to push out good content. This channel is based on faceless videos. So I will continue doing that, but I'll make sure that what I produce or what I put out is going to be what is acceptable to the community, what is in line with the platform, and what does not abuse the platform. I have never abused this platform, and I don't intend to start now. So this video is a proof of record, not just for my viewers, but also for the team, YouTube team, to give an update on what is going on with my channel. And I'll continue to make faceless videos, refined content that my community and the team, YouTube team, and the platform will appreciate, and not what will be in loggerheads with the platform or what will cause this channel to be frowned on by both the viewers and the team. Thank you guys for staying with me all this while, and I'll be back and I'll start posting my faceless videos, bigger, better, and more refined for you guys. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.